Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to answer the question, can you put a GoPro Max on a Vulcan 800 Classic? The answer is yes. Get in closer, take a better look at this setup I've got. So here you see the mount in fully compressed format, and I've got it wrapped around the last coil or bottom coil of this spring and wrapped around the selfie stick. So it gives it two pretty solid mount points there. And then I couldn't get it to line up right, but I have my notches here in the double ball arm mount. Instead of this solid piece holding it from rotating too far out, it can rotate further. But I think that this Velcro strap is gonna hold it in real well. But it's two solid points. And I know what you're thinking, this is hooked to the swing arm, so it's gonna move a little bit. And yeah, but that's what this is for. There's nothing really that it's gonna hit out here. I think it's gonna be okay. It's got 4 feet of travel. It kind of does move around a little bit, but I think it'll be all right. I'm probably gonna ride with it right about there, and I don't see it going too far.
Hey, John. It's your buddy boat booking, man. Just quit messing around. Let's go for a ride.
Let's get on the bike and give it a shot. Here's some bumps for you. Whoa. Still there. Okay. Whew. That's kind of sketchy. That thing flapping out there, I am not so sure I like it, actually. So we're going to find a turnaround here in a mile, and I'm going to take this sucker off. This is mounting position 1, and while I was riding, in between bouts of panic and anxiety over my precious 360 camera, I came up with at least one other mounting position I think will work a little bit better for me. But a note about 360 cameras is if they have a world lock and a horizon lock, if you have it mounted horizontally like that, you can actually get it to flip-flop its own footage. It goes upside down and right side up as you ride, because when you lean for a corner, it goes below horizontal, and then as you go the other way, it goes above horizontal, and that causes the image to rotate just like a regular action camera would. They'll flip and maintain their upright position, so they think, but really it's happening while you're riding, and that is not such a great thing. So I'm gonna pull over here. It's about a mile ahead. There's a stop. I'm gonna pull over and rearrange the cameras, or yeah, something. Rearrange at least the one camera.
Got no roots in the Delta. I got muscle soul. Left my spirit in the Midwest, Cleveland, Ohio, rushing out to California.
I'll bet you that was one cool ass freaking corner, wasn't it? Oh man. Pretty sure that thing went into the actual leaves there for a second. Yeah, your old buddy John risking his equipment so you don't have to. You're welcome. Subscribe and like this video now. All the cool kids are doing it. You should too.
Pistol to the wagon, 'cause I ain't no ball and chain game. At the mouth of the dragon, fire water coursing through my veins.
There is not a bit of shade to do this here, so we're just gonna have to do it quickly and wing it. But this Velcro strap held on really well, and the actual mount didn't move a lot, but it's just so freaking sketchy. And I tried. I could not come up with a good way to get this thing mounted so that it was similar to what I have on the Street Glide, because that mount is just phenomenal. But what we're going to try to do here is this left handlebar here. What we can do, position it here. I will say that this clamp is really versatile. It's actually much better than the GoPro small whatever yada yadas that they have. I'm not a huge fan of those, the small and large seat post mounts. They just never seem to fit what I need them to. So this is down as far as it's gonna go. And as long as the whole clamp doesn't rotate, I'll be good. Yeah, see, this is one of the downsides. See that rotation? It just does it. I don't know why. I don't know what causes it, but that ought to sit out there. Now I don't know what to do with my Velcro strap. I'll put it in my pocket. Done and done. All right, wanna be out here? Let's put you out there. Yeah, see what that does? That rotates in the clamp. And that, I mean, this clamp is on here just as tight as it can go. So we're gonna bring it in, like so, and now it should stay pretty level, pretty stable. What do you think? Are we pretty stable? And now you're more upright, so the image won't flip, but you should get a neat view. We can actually probably pull you out a little bit. And what I like to do is to improve stability. You've seen me do it in the other videos. That's why I do it. I hold one section and slide the next one in so that they're all evenly distributed here. The weight, rather, is evenly distributed. Yeah, that's not going anywhere, I hope. All right. Look at that frickin' thing. Now, if you know, or you know, or you know, in the comments below, let me know why the damn thing does that. Why this M-Rup thing rotates. You know what I could do? I could do the Velcro strap between those two. Nah, that's just gonna pull on that. I don't want that. Oh well. Oh, start the bike. There we go. So now, as long as I don't leave, as long as I don't try to show you my helmet cam, here's my helmet cam. The goofy ass camera's right in the way. I should put it over here. Maybe at the next turnaround spot, I'll do that. I'll move it over there somewhere so it's out of the way. Well, if that ain't something, Serenity Lane, I dig it. So there's no outlet. Let's go turn around and swap this camera position in the shade this time. Ooh, I have to remember this for future. There, I think that's a little better. And you know what I can do now is I can hook the Velcro strap to this mirror mount. Now I do not want to put too much leverage on this because this piece here could snap this, and this piece is kind of a pain in the ass to replace there. I did the other side a couple of years ago. I cracked it right here, so I had to replace this front piece. But this one, you can see it's two different pieces, and what a pain in the ass that would be, huh? So let's not break anything today. Catch it right there. Bing, bang, boom. Stick it on real good. Hey, hey, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now, if that ain't the goofiest frickin' thing I ever saw. Just to remind you, you're a 360 camera, I'm riding a bike. There's no drone here. Oh my God, this video could be 20 minutes of me just fiddle farting around with this stupid camera. Wait, it probably is 20 minutes of me fiddle farting around with the stupid camera. Guarantee you I don't get tailgated. I bet that thing's over the yellow line right now. Oh, I gotta bring that in. Maybe. I have like no corner. I feel like I have a sidecar on this bike because I just can't go anywhere. Like in my lane, I can't shift over. Hello, hello, hello. Shoot, you could hit like trees and stuff over there. Hey, look, you're in the other lane. Ha ha. Oh my God, I haven't laughed this hard in a couple of weeks. This is great. I wonder what that Tesla driver's thinking. Like, what is this goofy asshole doing? That's your old buddy John up to his old tricks. Ah! All right, I saw the weird looks from that escape. I'm bringing it in. All right, that looks pretty stable. Now, how's it look? Oh, are you enjoying this video as much as I am filming it? If you are, boop the old like button. Hell yeah. Man, this bike is running good today. Hell yeah, baby! I gotta check the footage later, but I'm pretty sure I slid the rear tire just a hit on that one. It's only been like a week since I rode this bike, but maybe the tire pressures are off, or I'm scrubbing off old rubber. These tires are 3 years old now, and I find they get pretty hard, but you just scrub off the old stuff, and they work pretty good. I was telling the story to somebody the other day that the last time I rode this bike on any long ride, I rode it up to Deep Creek Lake in Maryland, and my buddy was following me on his bike, and he's a faster rider, and I was just kind of keeping up with the guy in front of me. He had a very similar bike, so I was just kind of cruising along, and we got to a rest stop, and we pulled over to get gas, and he was like, dude, I think you scraped all the old rubber off your tires there. I saw you sliding around those corners. I was like, huh, never noticed it, but you might be right. He said, dude, I have never seen you corner that hard. Good job. So maybe that's what happened back there. So how do you like that camera position? I don't think it's blocking my field of view too bad. It's off to the side, so it's not like blocking the best parts of what you want to see, because let's be honest, nobody really wants to see my ugly mug. But seriously, I think it's pretty good up there. Let me know in the comments below which of these angles you like best. I am not putting the camera way out there again. Forget about it. That's not happening. That was just way too much for me. I was like, nope, heart rate is way too high. We're just out for a leisurely cruise. Looks like yet another thunderstorm is headed our way. It's off in the distance, which is pretty cool. So it gives me a chance to ride. But I kind of like the camera over there. It might even be better out a little bit, but at least this way you're kind of eye level with me. And I can get close to the yellow line without worrying about an oncoming car hitting my camera. Wouldn't that be a hell of an insurance claim? Well, sir, we had to put a new windshield and front fender on that car. What did you say hit their car again? Sir, that was my 360 camera. What now? All right, let's go. Very cool. Okay, hey, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, I think. So if you liked it, don't forget to like it, boop that subscribe button, help your old buddy John out, I appreciate it, and vote in the comments below what your favorite camera angle was. Which one do you think is the best? Vote now, the phone lines are open. And see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, keep the shiny side up and the rubber side down, and all you hooligans have fun. And I'm gonna steal everybody else's intros and outros from now on, because I think it's fun. So if you recognize your outro or intro, leave me a comment below. That's like 5 things to comment on in this video, and this outro is now like 2 minutes long. Anyway, Piece of chicken grease. See y'all later.
Ain't no